How to enable or disable attach pictures and audio recording in your emergency SOS text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. Then in here, tap on safety and emergency. Then tap on emergency sharing. Now go down and go to the share your surroundings. Tap on attach pictures to turn it off or switch it on. Tap on the audio recording to switch off or turn on attachment. After you can tap on start emergency sharing and then tap on start. Now it said here Wi-Fi and location will be turned on. Then your emergency contacts will be sent a request for help and messages with the following information: your current location and pictures taken with the front and rear cameras, and a 5-second audio recording. So tap on the start button and it will start your emergency sharing. And that's it. So that is how you can switch it on or turn it off. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.